So hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for clicking into my video and welcome to my review of the Virtual Coach. I'm so happy and excited to have you guys here because I do have a good one for you guys. But before we actually get into that, I just want to let you guys know that I do strive as much as possible to actually provide information to you guys that is both valuable and actionable, especially when doing these kinds of reviews. And also, my number one goal for this video in particular is just help you guys out whether what if you want to pick up the virtual coach, help you guys make an informed decision on the actual product we're discussing. And with that being said, let's get straight into the area or the scope of the review. So as always guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly who's behind the product, and that's virtual coach. We're going to be talking about exactly what does the virtual coach do, we're going to be talking about who the virtual coach was made for. We're going to be talking about some of the benefits that the virtual coach will provide to you and also your businesses. We're going to be talking about exactly what you're going to get once you pick up a copy of the virtual coach, and more on that. We're going to draw a comparison between what you're getting and what you're paying, and see if you're actually getting value for your money. And as always, we're going to be talking about some of the pros of the particular product, and also some of the drawbacks. Then at the end, I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts on the virtual coach. So let's get straight into it. What exactly is the virtual coach? Now, the virtual coach is a 90-day training program that will actually show you how to become a professional virtual coach or coach in any niche that you desire. Okay, this is how the program works. In Basically, you're gonna be working with a guy called Eben, and it's gonna help you discover the knowledge that you already possess that people are actually dying to pay you to know, because the knowledge industry is one of the biggest, growing industries right now. And people actually want to pay for information. They don't want to spend too much time looking for that information. They want to pay for that information and get it how they want it. So that's essentially what the virtual coach is going to be about. But don't worry guys, we're gonna be talking about all of the features within the virtual coach and everything to do with the actual program. So I got you guys covered. But right now, I just wanted to talk about a little bit about the bonuses that I have for you guys. So if you want to pick up the virtual coach and my special bonuses completely for free, all you have to do is click the first link down below. Once you click that link, it will take you to my bonus page, as you can see right here. And I do have about 10 bonuses lined up for you guys. However, if you want more bonuses, don't hesitate to contact me on Instagram. I did leave a link down below, the last link in the description box. And once you click that link, it will take you to my Instagram page, and you can DM me at any time or message me anytime, and I'll be happy to sort you guys out, whether you want more bonuses or if you just want to ask about the review, or if you have any queries about the review. So I just want to talk about one or two bonuses, and the rest we're going to be talking about that at the end. So first of all, I'm gonna give you a bonus to actually show you the power of branding and how to actually create a proper brand, because that's gonna be essential if you want to pick up the virtual coach. Because how to actually get clients, the bigger you build your brand, the more clients you can actually get. And also, I'm gonna be giving you you know a free video editor if you don't have that video editor, because you're going to be needing to create content to actually push, or get yourself out there as a virtual coach to help you get more clients. And I also have a bunch of bonuses for you guys if you have your own website, which you will be needing in order to become a professional coach. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get massive amounts of traffic to your site completely for free. And but that's going to be at the end. I'm going to be discussing all these bonuses. Now, if you want to claim any of these bonuses and a copy of the virtual coach, all you have to do is just click any of these blue buttons right here. And that says click here to get the virtual coach plus my special bonuses. And once you actually do that, it will take you to the sales page. And all you have to do is just scroll as you can see here, join the virtual coach now, 100% risk free. And that's true, it's 100% risk free, because you actually have a 90-day money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose once you actually invest in the virtual coach. Once you click that button, it will take you to the checkout page, and once you pay for the product, my bonuses will be given to you automatically. So with that being said, let's get straight into what exactly you're going to be getting once you buy the product. So the product goes for $1,000, $1,997, and that's a one-time payment. However, you can choose to pay in installments, and I'm also going to be talking about that. But I just want to show you guys exactly what that gets you. You get live coaching classes every week for the next 90 days from a world-class faculty of coaches. So you're not going to be learning from just one coach, a bunch of coaches. You get the vendors bonuses, which we'll be talking about in just a bit. And also you do get my amazing and exclusive bonuses completely for free. So let's draw a comparison between what you're actually getting and what you're paying for. So you as I said, you pay for 1,000. The product just goes for $1,997, and that's a one-time payment. And once you actually pay the one-time payment, you get a massive discount, which we will be talking about in just a bit. And you can choose to pay in installments if you don't have all that cash. So that's what you pay for, and this is exactly what you get. Once you pay that one-time payment, you get a discount of $382. First of all, you get $28,685 dollars in the vendors bonuses. I just want to repeat that again. You get $28,685 in the vendors bonuses, and you also get my amazing and exclusive bonuses completely for free. Now, if you actually draw comparison between $1,997 versus what you're getting in return, I do think that's a fixed change. In fact, I do think that's more than a fixed change, and you're gonna see that as we go through the actual sales page and show you exactly what's contained within the program. So this is gonna be the sales page, and just let's talk about some of the modules that you're gonna be learning. So that's the virtual coach system. Let's go through some of the modules. So module number 1 is going to be about breakthrough conversations, and I'm not going to go really deep into this. I will be linking to this page, and you can come and read through this page at your own time. So if you actually want to come to this page, all you have to do again, just click the first link down below. It will take you to my bonus page, and once you land on my bonus page, just click in one of the blue buttons and it will direct you to this page right here. So the first module is going to be breakthrough conversations, how to give someone a big breakthrough in their life with a simple conversation. That's going to be key if you want to become a coach. Dozens of models, so you always have an impactful conversation ready for your clients. I'll train you step by step on how to help your clients get incredible results in their lives, so results they will thank you for again and again. Now here's the thing, guys, if you want to become a coach, you actually do need to provide value to these people, because once you actually provide value and you help them, they will be coming back again and again and again, and also they will be referring their friends to you. So that's going to be the first module. Module number 2 is going to be personal and relationship leadership coaching. So how to use the coaching skills you're developing to impact co-workers, colleagues, teammates, and finally family members to get the best out of them by transforming them into their best lives. So basically, as you can see, it's all about building the bonds that you have with the people close to you, either your family or your co-workers, and actually learn how to make the most out of those relationships. So module number 3 is gonna be the inner game of coaching. Even if you have the ability to transform your clients' lives, you may still suffer from imposter syndrome until you let go of your own insecurities, limiting beliefs, issues, and inner conflicts. You'll never actually become successful. So in that module is gonna be all about learning about yourself, learning who you are, what you actually want to achieve as a coach, and also overcome the insecurities or some of the mind blocks that you may have. Probably you're thinking you're not good enough and all that good stuff. It's gonna be covered in the third module. And again, as I said, it's gonna be weekly coaching calls. So if you have any queries or you have any issue that you want to actually talk about or address, you can actually do that in the coaching calls. So module number 4 is going to be visionary coaching. So that's going to be how to help your clients develop a vision for their lives, light a fire inside of them, and inspire them to become their best selves and transform their lives. Basically, all this is talking about, as you can see, once you actually start working with your clients, you actually do need to develop a vision on where they want to get to, as opposed to where they are right now, and that's going to actually help you understand the your clients' needs and actually get them to where they want to actually draw a map to actually where they want to get to. So that's going to be the first step. So number 2 is going to be how to attract and sign up high-end coaching clients. Now this is going to be really interesting, because it doesn't matter if you are the best coach in the world. If you don't have clients, it doesn't really matter a lot. So in the 5th module, it's going to be targeting your personal coaching niche. Basically, that's helping you decide which niche do you want to get into. Do you want to get in the fitness niche? Do you want to get in the like the fashion niche? Do you want to get in the like the relationship love niche and all that stuff? So that's going to be exactly identifying what kind of coach that you want to be. Module number 6 going to be branded coaching package design. How to create a coaching package that your clients want to buy for between $2,000 and $10,000. Now here is all I'm basically talking about is show you how to take all the coaching skills that you have, take all the knowledge that you have that people actually want to buy from you, and how to actually package that into something that people want to buy. Because here's the thing, guys. One of the things that actually attracts that pulls people in is the appeal and the attractiveness of a particular like object, right? That's why people are love shiny objects, because they are alluring, they're attracting. So he's gonna teach you exactly how to package all that and getting those clients. So module number 7 is going to be closely related to module number 6. Is going to be how to attract those coaching clients, and that's basically self-explanatory. The bonus module is going to be the social media mastery. So build your email list from Facebook, a new marketing technique that gets you connected with real people who want to work with you. And also, guys, I did include another bonus to actually show you how to master Facebook and also Instagram. So that's going to be really, really good for you. You're going to be getting massive amounts of traffic, and from the coaching you're going to learn from the virtual coach, you're going to know exactly how to convert that traffic to get you even more clients. So I just want you guys to pay attention to some of the testimonials of people who have actually bought into the virtual coach. In the these are basically success stories, and here are the vendors bonuses. I just want to talk through them really briefly. As I said, I will be linking to this page, and I showed you exactly what to do. Just click the first link down below, go to my bonus page, and once on my bonus page, click on the blue buttons, and it will take you to this sales page right here. So as I said, you have about how many? We said $28,685 in pure vendors bonuses, and I just want you to go through this at your own time. We're not gonna go through that together. So as you can see, that's the actual what you're gonna be paying for. That's the virtual coach program. The bonus number 2, marketing step by step to actually get you guys out there and get those coaching those coaching clients. Bonus number 3, it's gonna be Wake Up Productive. Wake Up Productive is a set of tools and habit creation systems that I guarantee you will double your productivity. As you can see, there are so many bonuses, and as you can see, there's so many bonuses, and the total value comes in. That's as you can see, digital marketing, digital product marketing library, and that's a value of 24,000. So many bonuses for you guys. Yeah, so let's just skip through this, and so this is the guy you're gonna be learning from. His guy is called Eben. He's one of the top coaching coaches in the world, and I'm gonna be showing you that in just a bit. So is there anything? Now you do get a 90-day money back guarantee, and just as you can see, first of all, I just wanted to show you some of the payment options, and these are some of the success stories. Again, I just want you to come through this at your own time and watch these videos and hear what these people have to say about the program itself, so you can hear from people inside the program. And also, I just want you to pay attention to some of these other testimonials as well. These are written testimonials, and I just wanted to disclose to you or show you some of the payment. So as you can see, you can just pay a one-time payment of $1,997, and that saves you 20%, and you also get an extra bonus. However, if you don't have that money, it's okay. You can actually choose a payment plan, and that's gonna be $397 per month for the next 6 months. So that's gonna be it, guys. So that's exactly what you're gonna be paying for when it comes to the virtual coach. You can actually choose a one-time payment of $1,997, or you can just choose to pay for the monthly installments, as I said. And yeah, we actually covered that. Right now I just want to go over some of the bonuses that I do have for you guys, and just go through and go through them and show you exactly how they will help you. So I will be giving you online business mistakes. That's basically a course showing you some of the most common mistakes made by online entrepreneurs and how you can actually overcome these mistakes, and if you're making them. Also, I'm going to be throwing in a bonus on how to actually build a brand with Instagram images. I'm also gonna be throwing in another product or another bonus to you guys, how to create your own physical video product. And basically that's gonna be really good for you guys if you want to pick up the virtual coach, because you're gonna need to create actually video content or just video courses for your coaching services. So yeah, I did include that for you guys. I'm gonna be giving you balancing keywords and content. Basically that's gonna be all about SEO, and that's search engine optimization, how to actually optimize your website to rank higher in search engines such as Google. And basically all that means, you're gonna be getting a lot of free traffic from the search engines. And if you actually want to become a virtual coach, you do need to have your own website. And that's one of the ways in which you can build a brand. I'm also going to be giving you backlink basics. That's basically another SEO bonus for you guys. But that's going to be focusing exactly on a backlinking, and that's going to be one of the core things if you want to rank higher in Google, Bing, and all the good stuff, and actually get that free traffic. I'm also going to be throwing in a bonus to actually help you guys build bigger email lists. And basically email marketing is one of the core ways in which to recruit new clients for your coaching practice. So all you have to do is just, let's say for example you have an email list of about 10,000 new subscribers to your email list. If you know how to do email marketing, you can actually convert those leads into actual paying clients, and that's going to be really powerful for you guys. As I said, I will be throwing in the branding power. That's going to show you exactly how the power of branding and how to build a brand for yourself, and not just build a brand, also grow that brand. I will be throwing in, SC video editor. That's a video editor to edit your videos if you don't have one or you don't have money to pay for one. I'm gonna be giving you underground traffic secrets, traffic exchanges, tips and tricks, and also SEO strategies. Those bonuses are solely focused to help you get more traffic, get more clients, to your sites. Not get more clients, get more leads to your sites. And if you know how to actually convert those leads into paying clients, then that's gonna be, the holy grail for you guys. Now, I do believe with that information provided to you, it should be more than enough to actually make an informed decision whether or not you want to pick up the virtual coach. If you actually see, I hope first of all it provided value and the benefit to you guys. And if you see that the virtual coach can actually help you in whatever that you want to do, you know exactly what to do. You just need to click the first link down below, go to my bonus page, click on the blue buttons right there, go to the sales page, and actually secure yourself a copy of the virtual coach, my bonuses, and also the vendors bonuses. And I just want to remind you guys once more, you have a 90-day money back guarantee. That's a whole 90 days, 1.5 months to actually use this product without any risk, because you have nothing to lose. All you have to do is request a refund if you don't like the product or the course or anything about that, anything about the virtual coach. So that's gonna be it for this review. I did hope I provided value again, as I said, and I hope to see you on my bonus page.